How to enable Face ID for App Store purchases on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your iPhone. Once you're here, scroll down to find and tap on Face ID and Passcode. You will then be prompted to enter your passcode to access these settings. Here, you can manage exactly where your biometric data is used for authentication. Under the Use Face ID for section, tap the toggle switch next to iTunes and App Store to turn it on. In order to enable this feature, you have to enter your password, and then tap OK to continue. Turning this on enables fast, secure authorization for downloads and in-app purchases from the App Store using your face. This way, you get more control over your experience with the device and how you use it. Following these steps, you can easily enable Face ID for App Store purchases on an iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.